Don't be sad. Allah has something better for you. I am strong because I depend on Allah. Just wait and see your blessing or in the way, inshallah. I am not alone. Allah is always with me. Ya Allah, give me a lot of sabar. Alone time with Allah is so important. A little more sabar for a little more happiness. When you have Allah, you have everything. Cry to Allah, He never ignores. Every morning is beautiful when we talk to Allah first. Happiness call you 5 times a day. When you can't change something, increase your dua. Turn your worry list into a prayer list. The best is yet to come. Have a sabr and everything will be okay. Look back and thank Allah. Look forward and trust Allah. Never miss Salah. Allah's plan is better than your dreams. With Allah, life is very beautiful. Every pain is temporary. Be strong and have sabr. Allah can change everything in a second. Inshallah, there will be a way. Allah is the only one who can heal your broken heart. Ya Allah, I am still waiting for your beautiful plan for me. Being a Muslim is the biggest blessing. Alhamdulillah. Ya Allah, I only need your love.